Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you are gonna see how to use Instagram story at your templates. So you have to go to your Snapchat or your Instagram. Once in there, head over to your home and go to story. And in here, go to camera, or you can directly go to the template section. And in here, you'll find several templates. You can add anyone from here. So let's say this one. So here you can use this template and add any picture of yours from here, from this lower left option. And yeah, this is how you can use it. And you can also use or add your template in here by tapping at yours, and you can write anything you want. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.